sweet pepper. Okay.
And then the other. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mom's Kitchen with the boys, and as always, we are loving mom over here.
Hello, guys. Good to see you again.
Alright, guys, I'm back here again with another one more video for you guys. So today, what we're going to do, something called ademe in local language, but in English, it's called jute soup, or because this is the jute leaf, so you name the soup after the leaf. So this is jute leaf, so jute soup. And so yeah, these are our ingredients. We have our kanda, pomo, cow skin, same name, same difference. Alright, these are fish, roasted fish, crayfish, fried fish, we fried it already, and pepper, onion, and yeah, this is the.
What's the name of your pepper?
What was the name?
Habanero.
Habanero pepper. So in case you want to know exactly which pepper is habanero pepper, and then this green pepper, and this already onion but chopped and diced.
Sweet pepper.
So yeah, this mom says sweet pepper. So yeah, guys, that's all the ingredients, and now let's just get cooking. Alright, guys, so now I'm going to be putting the pepper, the onion and pepper into the blender. So you first put your first batch like halfway in, then you add your pepper, and you put your pepper in. When you put the pepper in, you now put back all your onion on top of the pepper, so that you sandwich it. You sandwich the pepper in between the onion.
Onion.
Yeah, that's it.
And then
okay, this too.
Add a little water.
And then add water so you will not spoil the blender.
Blend it.
It's not small.
Let's add a little.
As much as your conscience can hold you.
Alright, yeah. So guys, here is our cow skin. I'm going to be steaming it. Just add a little. I don't want to use on salt. Just a little seasoning.
But you can use salt if you want to.
If you want, yes.
Sure.
So my good people, here is our oil. This is the one I use in frying the fish. So I'm going to be using it to make the soup. Adding onion. Blended pepper.
Blended pepper and onion.
Yeah. Stir it. Then you allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes.
Why did I red pepper to choke someone's nose?
Red pepper.
Because
it's very ripe. It's mature.
Cough.
Yeah.
For no good reason.
Okay. So we leave it for a while, and here is the candle. It's going well. Turn it into the pepper.
Hot. Didn't tell me it was hot.
I'll hold it. Jeff can do it. Please don't waste it. Thank you.
I can do it. Hot. It's hot too. The pot is hot. Yes.
Okay, so turn it.
Okay, so I told you I can do it. Sorry.
At this point, we are adding our seasoning. For the leaf.
Okay, this is it.
So friends, I like cutting it like this. Okay, some people like blending it, but I don't like blending mine. I like cutting it. Okay, I think that's okay. So friends, as you can see, here is the little water. So I will be adding the jute leaf into the pot and cover it.
and let the heat do the rest.
Yeah. So guys, this is it. Please come closer. This is it. So I'm going to be using my spoon now to break it like this. That's it. One good thing about this particular leaf is that if you cook it, even if when you don't have appetite to eat, to help you to give you appetite, you can eat with it. You can use it to eat anything you like, anything, just like that. To be smooth. So at this point, I want to be putting. Now I'm going to put this fish into the pepper sauce, just like that. I want to scatter it in. except the head. I will not be breaking the head because of bone. Do I really need to put it? Yeah. Turn off the gas.
So the leaf is already soft.
Yeah, it's soft. So I'll transfer it into this.
Ooh. What's your okra?
Is that they made them
Drums.
yes. Drums. So
Drums.
if you like, you cook it this way. There's another method that you can cook, but I prefer cooking it this way. Okay. Come on, look at it.
If you want the other method, anytime this video gets to 100 likes, we're going to do it.
Yes, tell us so we'll do it. We'll cook another method for you. Looks appetizing.
Yes.
Are you going to?
Does. Not trying about it, the sweetness.
Alright. That's it. Should we add the head to it?
Sure. Just stuff it inside there, cover it to the spoon. Drown it in that delightful.
Alright, I got it. Okay, so that's it for now. So friends, these are our crayfish. So I will add little. I don't need to add too much because already I think that should be enough.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
You stir.
yeah.
Simultaneously.
Is it too thick?
What? This soup?
Soup.
It's not the thicker the better. These are jute leaf soup.
Yeah.
So it's usually going to be too watery.
Yeah. To be thick and like, should we give it
flourished with.
Should we give it oil?
Red oil, yeah, you can still
oil.
add small red oil into it.
Okay. So, sweet pepper. Okay.
And then the red oil.
No, I'm not adding oil again. It's okay.
It's okay like that.
Yeah, it's not good to eat too much oil. It's okay. Test it.
It's
What
hot.
is test it?
It's hot. Yes, you can test it.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's good.
Let me just.
It's good,
That is
guys.
on my flesh.
Just bring your hand. Okay.
It's not that hot.
It's good.
Yeah, it's great.
Spicy.
Yes, that.
I love it. Yeah. So what next? What next?
Ah, hot. Well,
Okay.
there's pepper.
It's spicy, right? I like it. Just need to add a little.
Alright guys, we are done with the soup, and as you can see, it's ready, it's prepared. This is what it will look like if you follow the right process. Yes, that is that. And yeah. Alright. Anyways guys, from my point of view, God bless you. Okay guys, that's for the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah, tell us what you'd like to see us do next in the comment section below. And wherever you are in this beautiful world, don't forget to eat healthy, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.
Love you guys. Bye.
And what about?
You don't want me to talk.
Okay, just one word from mom.
Okay, Jeff already said everything, so just remember, in case you don't have appetite, you can make this and to help you to eat well. Alright, love you guys.
Alright guys, that's the word from mom, and yeah, don't forget to do whatever you're doing, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.